What's up, guys? Alex D'Angelo here, and today I'm back with another ceiling fan video, and this is a video of 1 out of 3 SEAGULL builder fans in the installed in the villa in the master bedroom in the villa I'm staying in here in Florida. This one in particular is in the master bedroom. So they all none of them have lights on it. There is one out on the deck out here that does have a light on it. I might make a video of that later on. But anyways, it's in, I don't know if it's an oil or bronze or weathered brick finish or whatever. Turn on some lights just so you could see the fan a little bit better. There you go, that's better. So yeah, it's 3 speeds and reversible motor. I'll give you a good look at the fan. As the blades are sagging noticeably. I mean, what do you expect? This fan is kind of a cheapo fan, so nothing less, nothing more. Here's the tag on top. I don't know if it says any information up there, but you guys can tell me in the comments what you guys see on that tag. I think there are a couple more up there. Here's another tag. It's on the down rod. And yeah, this thing is, I really like it. I like these fans. I've seen these fans quite often. You see them really everywhere. Because they're in builder grade houses. There's the pole chain. As you can see, it's a SEAGULL branded thing. That's the pole chain. I don't know if the fan's actually SEAGULL branded, but I'm assuming that's an original pendant. So if I had to take a guess, it is. That's what this one is. Anyways, we'll demonstrate the fan now. We'll start it off on low. It does hum a little bit on the high speed, but yeah, as you can see, some of the brackets are bent out of clock. But it doesn't wobble though, unbelievably. And I think it's this switch that controls both these lights. And the fan is on the switch right there. Yeah, like I said, these fans kind of are sentimental to me because I've seen these a lot as a kid. So even though they are really, really cheap fans, they perform okay. I mean, they blow decent air for what they are. So I don't really have too many complaints. All right, let's bring it to medium. There we go. But yeah, so decent runner. It's blowing some air, medium actually. My parents originally kept it on low, but because I'm making a video of it, I'm showing it off on all the speeds. Excuse me. And high. So the fan does hum on its high speed. And like I said, no wobble whatsoever. It's blowing a pretty decent breeze. It's definitely blowing more than I expected it would. And like I said, it does hum. It's probably from the cheapo motor that it has. I don't know how well you can hear that, but it does hum a little bit. Anyways, we'll turn the fan off now. So, yeah, there you have it. That is one of two 52-inch SEAGULL builder fans, or one of three, sorry. This one in particular installed in the master bedroom. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace, guys.